Hello students, good morning. I am Nimisha Mehta, taking your moral science subject. In previous lecture, we seen chapter 1 and chapter 2. So बच्चे, today let's start chapter 3, honor your parents. We all have a family and we live in the family. You know, we live with our parents, our siblings, and our grandparents also. We have our loving parents, brothers, and sisters. Sibling means brother and sisters. They are God given gifts to us. Our parents have brought us into this beautiful world, and our almost duty is towards them. Their love for us is selfless. They have no any self with us. Their love for us is selfless, बिना स्वार्थ का. They set good examples. They guide us to the right path and always stand by us. Whether we are good or bad in studies, ugly or beautiful, physically fit or challenged, our parents love us unconditionally, without any condition. They love us continuously. Parents are the visible sign of God's love. They take care of us and help us to grow. मम्मी और पापा दोनों हमारा ध्यान रखते हैं ना? हाँ बच्चे. Ready for school. Prepare food for us. Giving nice food. है ना बच्चे? Yes. They make a number of sacrifices and suffer much for our sake. They think of our happiness as their own. Their greatest desire is that we study well and come up in life. They send us school for good study, है ना? Study well. A long time ago, there was a huge apple tree. A little boy loved to come and play around it every day. He climbed the tree, ate some apples, and took a nap under its shade. He loved the tree, and the tree loved to play with him. Here they give a story about a boy, a little boy, loved to come and play around it under the apple tree. He climbed the tree, ate some apples, and took a nap under its shade. He loved the tree, and the tree loved to play with him. Time went by, the little boy grew up, and he no longer played around the tree. When we were little, we play many games with our friends also, with our siblings also. है ना बच्चे? One day the boy came back to the tree and he looked, said, "Come and play with me." The tree told the boy, "I am no longer a kid. I do not play around trees anymore." The boy replied, "I want toys. I need money to buy them." So, The tree replied, "Sorry, but I do not have money. But you can pick all my apples, sell them, and take the money." The boy was excited. He plucked all the apples from the tree and laughed happily. The boy did not come back after he got the money. The tree was sad. Why? Because the tree and the little boy passing their time with each other. They make friendship. They are in friendship. So, the little boy plucked all the apples and went away. One day, the boy who had now grown into a man returned, and the tree was excited. Again, this boy come as a man. He grew up as a man. The tree said, "Come and play with me." The boy replied, "I do not have time to play. I have to work for my family. We need a house for shelter. Can you help me?" "Sorry, I do not have any house, but you can chop off my branches to build your house." So the man cut all the branches of the tree and laughed happily. The tree was glad to see him happy, but the man never came back. Since then, the tree was again lonely and sad. Again he was alone because the boy left him, means the tree. On a hot summer day, the man returned and tree was delighted. "Come and play with me," the tree said. The man replied, "I am getting old. I want to go sailing to relax myself. Can you give me a boat?" said the man. Now he was old, so he wanted to sail. So he asked the tree for a boat. We need now for sailing a boat. "Use my trunk to build your boat. You can sail to different places and be happy." Each and every time the tree helped the boy, as a little boy to the old age of this boy. So the man cut the tree trunk and made a boat. He went sailing and never showed up for a long time. His demand over, and he forgot the tree, whatever it helped. Finally, the man returned after many years. "Sorry, my boy, but I do not have anything for you anymore. No more apples for you," the tree said, because first he plucked up the apples, then branches, then trunk also for making boat. "No problem. I do not have any teeth to bite," the man replied. "No more trunk for you to climb on. I am too old for that now," the man said. One by one question he given replied, "I really cannot give you anything. The only thing left is my dying roots. अभी उसके पास क्या बचा था? Roots. The tree said with tears. One by one part of the tree he given no this boy. So he was very sad and he replied with tears, I do not need much now, just a place to rest. I am tired after all these years, the man replied. In his full life, now he was tired. Good. And all trees' roots are the best place to lean on and rest. Come, sit down with me and rest. The man sat down, and the tree was glad and smiled through its tears. The tree is like our parents. When we are young, we love to play with our mom and dad. When we grow up, we leave them and only come to them when we need something or when we are in trouble. This is the selfishness तो बच्चे. When we need something or when we are in trouble, we come with our parents. Remember, God loves and blesses those who show respect and love to their parents. God always help to who show respect and love to their parents. There is a great saying, respect your father and mother so that you may live for a long time in the land. To get blessings from God and parents, we should do our duties faithfully towards our parents. Here mentioned बच्चे. See, here they mentioned. See बच्चे. Our duties. Our duties towards parents. We should love our parents. We should love our parents. Second duty, we should respect our parents. We should respect our parents. We should talk to our parents with an open mind. We should share our joys and sorrows with their parents. One by one here mentioned बच्चे our duties towards our parents. Follow बच्चे. You must do. Respect and honor your parents. God loves you. Okay बच्चे. Now we go as per next. We should accept the advice of our parents. We should accept the advice of our parents. उसकी सलाह सूचना लो. We should obey our parents. वो जो कहे वो अपने आप करो. When parents reach their old age, they need their children's help. So children should show more love for them at that age. Don't hate them. Don't neglect them. Okay बच्चे. Show more love for them when they at their old age. They should provide with them proper food, clothing and shelter. When they are sick, we should not leave them alone. Live with them. Children should stay with them and provide them proper medical care. Remember the great words, my son, take care of your father. When he grows old, give him no cause for worry as long as he lives. No one reason, no one chance to give them to cause for worry. Honor your mother and never abandon her all the days of your life. उसको मत छोड़ो. Abandon means leave करना. Do all that she wants and give her no reason for sorrow. A mother is a living temple. God gives the following blessings to the one who respects, loves, and takes care of his parents. All may go well with you and you may live a long time. Okay, बच्चे, very good this chapter. Respect, obey your parents. So बच्चे, they live happy, healthy and long life. Okay बच्चे, God bless you. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.